I'm thinking of. Yeah. Are we lit? Are we lit? Are we lit? We lit. What are you doing? I'm reaching. I'm doing. Oh, this is Jazz. I'm going on the other side so you can actually see because of light. This is Jazz.
Bald face.
But I was thinking of doing a middle part layered lob.
Okay. That's something different.
Yeah, because I'm like, I really want a middle part, but I really want layers from Whitney. I miss Whitney.
We bring Whitney back.
I love that alter ego.
We watched.
I watched it. Okay. Yeah. Say what's up. Alright guys, so here I am finally going to do a tutorial on how to keep your hair laid, laced, and daced while working out. So we all know I am a hair guru. I love my hair just like I love my nails, just like I love fitness. To me, they all go hand in hand. So I waited to get my hair done so I could show you guys how I keep it intact from the very beginning. So first things first, when you're straightening your hair, this is my straightener. I got it from Marshall's like 6 years ago from Conair. You can see it's been through it, but it's loyal as fuck, and I know everyone uses a different straightener, and I'm sad that one day this may stop working. Anyway, the rule number one, first step, is keep your hands out of your hair. So whenever I straighten my hair, I just use a brush. Goes through. I learned this trick from my stylist. Not so much as far as keeping the grease from your hands out. I learned that on my own, but just helping straighten it because you comb out the tangles as you're going. So I literally just go through and you know, straighten just like that. It helps get the hair straight, and like I said, especially if you're wearing a weave, even if your natural hair, your hands hold so much grease, so you don't want to constantly keep putting grease in your hair because you're always touching your hair. So there's that. I'm not going to do the most perfect straight job because that's not the point of this video. So, first things that I always do, Argon oil. It's Argon oil spray. It's oil, but it's not like a grease-based oil. It's like a dry oil. Get it from Sally's. And it keeps your hair, even like when your hair is kind of like older, it really helps. Just makes it nice, soft, smooth, keeps it really healthy feeling and looking. And I just go through and brush it all over. This is what I do right before the gym. So sometimes I don't straighten it depending on how I wrap my hair. I just go. But I always spray the argan oil before. Every now and then I do Jamaican Castor Oil, but it depends on how I have my hair styled. When I have my hair down the middle, I can't really do the castor oil because it causes the front to get greasy too fast. But what I'll usually do is I'll dap it into my finger, line it in my part and on my edges. And it's usually when I have a side part because I can really do the edges, and I do it right before the gym because you're sweating and your hair absorbs oil better when your hair is wet. So I always put my oil on right before I go to the gym because that way it helps. And especially if you do have a side part, because I have more hair out when I have a side part, it helps keep my hair really soft, especially when I put a headband on, and I don't have to really do much maintenance to it. So for this, I'm just going to pull it back. So we can go ahead and get into these edges. And they're not even bad, but they're just not even laid. Okay, so this is the Sign Essentials, Sally's, and then Gorilla Snot, or Gorilla Glue, whatever. No, it's Gorilla Snot. So, have a scarf by hand, have a brush, toothbrush. So, I'm going to dip it in the Sign Essentials first. Now this is what I do right before the gym, because then when I put my headband on, and I'll do the castor oil on this at the end since I'm tying it back, then it keeps my edges so nice and soft and straight. So it's just like when I sweat, especially because I'm laying them down and then wrapping it, it keeps it silky smooth. So I don't have to do much to it later when I actually want to do something. So I just dipped it in Gorilla Snot, and I'm now tracing it on top of the Sign Essentials. My memory card was full, but like I said, I was going through and tracing this, and I always use my finger, and usually have a napkin nearby because the Gorilla Snot is a little more greasy. So since I'm lining it with my finger, you know, get to my finger. And I'm gonna use this one. And I only pull back the hair when I have my hair parted on the middle, because I don't want it to touch. Also a great tactic for when your hair starts to grow out, regardless of the style. You can lay it down, and it keeps you from having to put heat on it. Like, I don't have to put heat on my edges as often when I do this. Okay, so it's now down. So I'm going to just pull this back for a quick second. Grab my scarf. And literally just lay it. Okay, so while that is being laid, I'm just going to talk about hair maintenance at night, because how you take care of your hair at night, like outside just before the gym, really determines how your hair is going to look when you're constantly working out, constantly sweating. I sweat a lot. So I wrap my hair at night. I spray this, you know, brush it out, wrap it like this. I usually go just like this, and put it in like a ponytail-ish thing, and then twist it around my finger, and then twist, 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 twist like that. Put my clip on, and then literally bonnet. So it literally like that. So then when I wake up, I just take it off, brush it, and I don't have to really do anything else to it outside of my baby hairs if they need to be laid. So yeah, I usually do this, whatever else it is I need to do as far as getting ready for the gym, I'll do. And yeah. Also, let's get into these lashes. I like a lot of things that are low maintenance from day to day, because like I said, I love working out, but I like doing girly things as far as like taking care of myself and pampering myself. So I love my lashes, I love my nails. So I go to Yegi Beauty in Burbank to get my lashes done. I just recently grew out my brows, so I don't really have to do much to them. And castor oil, a little Jamaican castor oil is a lifesaver. And so that way it's just like I'm always groomed and ready to go, even if I'm not doing much, you know what I mean? Okay, so I didn't leave it on as long as I usually do, because sake of this video. So usually I'll put my hair in a pony. So this is another thing. I'll go into the gym with it down, take my pictures to look cute, blah, blah, blah. But then the moment I start working out, I put it up because with the sweating, it just ruins your hair. So I put my headband on. And this also helps just like lay it because it's just like already in position from when I just had it wrapped. And then I always go through after I put it on and make sure that the hair is slicked back so that way it doesn't have that sweat hump. And if you wear a headband while working out, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So that way it's smooth just like that. And then I grab a pony. And this is literally how I work out for the most part. Usually if my hair is straight, I'll just do a clip because I don't like the crease or having to get the crease out from a scrunchie, unless it's one of those like seamless scrunchies. Do I have mine over here? I don't know what it is. Seamless scrunchie that doesn't really leave a crease. So I usually just have my clip in like this and just like that. It keeps my hair out of my face, off my back, because that's the real issue, is the hair on the back. And boom. So it's like I go, I work out, I come home, I take it off. And if I do anything, I may have to lay my baby hairs again, just because they did sweat out. But as far as everything else, it's fine because everything's up and out of my face. So those are some of my key tips on how to keep your hair laced and disked while working out. So you guys know the deal. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff for more videos. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And I hope this was helpful in any way, shape, and form. And I have multiple different tips on how to keep your hair nice while working out. Because like I said, I'm a hair girl and I love working out. So this is like my most simple, basic, get to the point, few tips. So yes, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll give you guys some more. Bye.